The Bluefors project is a significant project which continues to kind of formalize our leadership in advanced manufacturing here in Onondaga County. This specifically with cryogenics, over $40 million of investment in one location. What we've seen with Bluefors is not just a strengthening and an expansion of a business, but a strengthening of two nations, as you have a Finnish company come in and invest in the United States.
The impact of this project on the local economy is going to be significant. Cryomech started here, they've grown here, and with the recent acquisition by Bluefors of Cryomech, it demonstrates that Cryomech really is operating on a world stage. And Bluefors is a great partner. Cryomech obviously started here as a homegrown company, and they've gone through a couple of great expansions. Their focus is on cryogenic cooling, and you need cryogenic cooling for supercomputer operations and also for quantum computing.
Cryogenics really is removing heat. That's really all we do, is we remove heat. So we make cryocoolers that range in temperatures from about 2 Kelvin, and in Fahrenheit that's about 460 degrees below zero. Bluefors in Helsinki does is they use our cryocooler as a pre-cooler. As our technology became better, they were able to incorporate that to improve their product as well. So we were partners. This expansion is an investment in that. We also purchased the land behind us so that we can expand further if needed. Certainly the county executive has always been a big supporter of Cryomech and now Bluefors. Bob Petrovich, Nate Stevens were huge helps. I don't know as if without their help we could have been as successful in this as we have.
In 2019, we had the first Cryomech expansion, and it was highly successful. And it positioned itself as a global leader with its technology. And it's really an amazing story. A local business, really a family-owned business that was becoming globally relevant with its technology in the quantum space. And Cryomech and Bluefors now being recognized globally for the innovation that's going to happen right here in Onondaga County.
The technology that's currently being done in Helsinki, where they're building their dilution refrigerators there, that technology is going to be brought here to Syracuse, so that here in Syracuse now we're going to be also building dilution refrigerators. And we will be the largest dilution refrigeration manufacturer in the U.S.
We're on a wave of success, and we're enjoying that. And so other people see both homegrown business and foreign investment in this community. They will take a look at us where ordinarily they might not have considered us in the past. The friends that we made at the groundbreaking with Bluefors have asked us to consider coming to Helsinki for a visit as part of their foreign direct investment campaign. And so we're always looking for foreign direct investment in our community.
If you look at what's going on right now in Onondaga County, and you look at the win after win we're having, we truly are becoming a hub for advanced technology manufacturing. This project continues that trend and is very important in our regional strategy. And what's great is we are making workforce investments throughout the community that Bluefors will be able to benefit from, just like Micron will and other advanced technology manufacturers.
We've been here in central New York for over 60 years, and we want to be here for another 60 years, so we're always looking further ahead.